Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're talking about kingfishers. These birds are super cool with their bright colors and awesome fishing skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. 1. Many different types. There are over 90 different types of kingfishers living all around the world except in really cold places. 2. Bright colors. Kingfishers are known for their bright blue and green feathers, which look shiny because of how their feathers reflect light. 3. Amazing hunters. They are great at catching fish, diving into the water quickly and precisely. Their eyes are specially adapted to see what goes above and below the water. 4. Special eyes and beaks. They have a special see-through eyelid to protect their eyes when they dive. Their long, pointed beaks help them cut through the water with little splash. 5. Unique nests. Kingfishers dig tunnels in riverbanks to make their nests, keeping their eggs and chicks safe. Some even nest in tree holes or termite mounds. 6. Cultural importance. In different cultures, kingfishers are symbols of peace and happiness. They appear in many myths and stories around the world. 7. Threats and protection. Kingfishers face threats like habitat loss and water pollution. Many groups are working to protect their homes and keep them safe. 8. Family life. Male kingfishers often bring fish to the females as part of their courtship. Both parents take care of the eggs and chicks. 9. Varied diet. Besides fish, kingfishers eat insects, crabs, small animals, and even other birds, depending on what's available. 10. Territorial birds. Kingfishers are very protective of their fishing spots and will chase away other birds. They also have unique calls and songs to communicate. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about kingfishers. They're amazing birds with beautiful colors and great hunting skills. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more fun animal facts.